How to stream Crunchyroll on Discord. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can stream on Crunchyroll using Discord without black screen. Now the very first thing that you want to do before you cast your browser into your Discord account is to tweak around the settings of the browser. Now from here, just simply head into these three dots, and then go into your browser settings. From settings, go into system, and make sure that this second option here that says use graphics acceleration when available, make sure to have it off. Now, next thing that you want to do is to close this and leave an empty tab right there. Now, open up your Discord and make sure that you already created your own server where you would like Crunchyroll to be casted. Now, go into your voice channels and then simply share your screen. Choose the Crunchyroll share screen, and you should be able to stream your Crunchyroll using Discord. And that is it.